Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable notifications in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to settings and just go to three dot settings, and when you're going to be here, click on site settings. In site settings you're going to see notifications, right? Click on it, and here you're going to see sites can ask to send notifications. You can turn it on or off, it's up to you. But this is how you do it. So you just like turn it on and off, and I get like blocked here, and you can simply add like block to different sites, and this is pretty much it, how you do it. So this is how you can block notifications in Google Chrome. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.